Now we're going to look at the finger placement to help us with the 6th and 7th step for the melodic minor. That's what the next part is. I played exactly what the book suggested. First, I started with the bowings on the top, and then I finished with the bowings at the bottom. You should do the same. So each scale should have a 2 variation, 2 options. First you do the top, then you do the bottom. Then you do the minor, also the top, and then also the bottom. The whole thing shouldn't take more than just a few minutes for you to do, and if you do it on a daily basis, this will help you grow as a musician and as a violinist. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website, where you can find more information about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.